Today is Monday, May 4th, 2020. This is your ELA mini lesson number 25. For the next 2 weeks, we're going to be working on understanding nonfiction text structures. Today, we're going to be talking about fact and opinion and how that can be used in nonfiction texts. Your learning target today is I can identify facts and opinions in a text. First, let's discuss what facts and opinions are. Facts and opinions are types of statements. I'm going to make 2 statements about my dog, Buffett. Then we're going to discuss the differences between facts and opinions, and we'll decide which statement is a fact and which is an opinion. My 2 statements about Buffett are, Buffett is a large mixed breed dog, and Buffett is the cutest and friendliest dog. Both are statements, and both are statements about the same topic, my dog Buffett. But which statement is a fact and which statement is an opinion? Let's talk about the differences between facts and opinions. So a fact is a true statement. A true statement can be proven. You can research facts to find out more information and to see that they are true. You can do this through research. Opinions, on the other hand, are ideas or beliefs. Opinions cannot be proven true or false. However, as a reader, you can decide if you agree or disagree with an opinion that an author states. Let's go back down to those examples about Buffett. Buffett is a large mixed breed dog. Buffett is the cutest and friendliest dog. One of these statements can be proven. If you guessed this first statement is a fact, you are correct. If you were to meet my dog Buffett, you would be able to prove that he is a large dog. And if you researched his veterinary records, you would also find out that he is a mixed breed dog. He is part boxer and part Great Pyrenees. So this statement is a fact about Buffett. It can be proven. The second statement down below is an opinion. Opinions are based on people's experiences and beliefs. This is the way that I feel about my dog Buffett. I think he is the cutest and the friendliest, but you may disagree. That's what makes the second statement an opinion. It cannot be proven. Today, we're practicing this comprehension skill of identifying facts and opinions. When you read, you need to try to spot and separate the facts from opinions. A fact is a statement you can prove. Facts are true. An opinion tells what someone believes or feels. Opinions vary because people have different beliefs and feelings. Here is something really important that we want to pay close attention to. Signal words. Signal words are words that give clues that help you tell facts from opinions. Some signal words for facts include proof, know, and found out. Some signal words for opinions include believe, wish, like, agree, disagree, think, love, and feel. You might not always see examples of these opinion signal words or fact signal words. So when you read a text, you're going to have to evaluate each statement and think, can this be proven? Or is it a feeling or thought? I'm going to read you this text. It's called How to Build a Sandcastle. This text is a nonfiction text. However, it does include some opinions or thoughts or beliefs that the author has. We're going to try to separate the facts from the opinions. First, let me think about the purpose of this text. The title says how to build a sandcastle. So I'm thinking that the author is trying to tell me how to build a sandcastle. So examples of facts that would go with this topic include details about how to physically make a sandcastle. This text is mostly nonfiction, which means it includes mostly true facts. So instead of marking up the entire text for facts, I'm going to mark my text up for examples of opinions. I'm going to read a statement and then think about it. Can it be proven or not? If it can, it's a fact. If it can't, it's an opinion. People like to do all kinds of things at the beach. Can that be proven? Yes, it can. You can ask people different things that they like to do at the beach, and there are many different activities to choose from. The second statement, it's fun to build sandcastles. Can that be proven? If someone can disagree, it can't be proven. This is an example of an opinion. Not everyone would agree that it's fun to build sandcastles. Castles can be small and simple. Can that be proven? Could you see a small or simple sandcastle? Yes, you can. That's a fact. They can also be big and fancy. That's another true fact about sandcastles. To build any sandcastle, you need water and sand. This next sentence is a detail about how to build a sandcastle. That's also a fact. You could prove it by testing it out. Most people use tools. A bucket can be a mold. Pack wet sand into the bucket and turn it over. The sand comes out in a shape. Put many shapes together to form the castle. Those are also examples of facts. Those could be proven. You could follow those steps to build a sandcastle. Some kids use sticks to carve doors and stairs. They add details like windows and towers. Could those statements be proven? They could. Those are examples of facts. Kids make the best sandcastles. Could you disagree with this? I've seen interesting videos of adults making fantastic sandcastles. So I don't entirely agree with this that kids make the best sandcastles. Some kids could be very good at building sandcastles and some might not be. The same is true for adults. So this is another example of an opinion. The next statement. But every kid knows sandcastles do not last long. Waves turn them back into grains of sand. Those details are true. They are facts. Now you're going to get a chance to try out identifying facts and opinions using the article and graphic organizer in your packet. So go ahead and find today's set of work. We're going to be examining this text, No More Grass, and identifying facts and opinions. Then we'll record examples of facts in the graphic organizer and opinions. Then you'll have the chance to pick your own topic and write 2 facts about it and 2 opinions. Let's go back up to this text and read it together. You can grab a pencil and mark up ideas that are facts and ideas or statements that are opinions. No more grass. Many people like to grow grass in their yards, but people don't really need grass yards. Growing grass takes a lot of water. The water could be used for other things. People use chemicals to keep grass green and growing. They use chemicals to stop weeds from growing too. These chemicals can hurt animals, insects, and other plants. People should stop growing grass in their yards. A yard with plants that don't need so much work can still look nice. On this page in your packet, you're going to write 3 sentences from the text that are facts on this side of the chart and 3 sentences from the text that are opinions on this side of the chart. Remember, when you're determining if it's a fact or an opinion, think about if it can be proven to be true or researched. Once you're finished recording facts and opinions about this text, No More Grass, you're going to pick your own topic to write about on this part of the page. So my example of my topic was Buffett. So I would write 2 facts about Buffett and 2 opinions about Buffett. Go ahead and pause this video. After you're finished working, you can keep watching and I'm going to give you the directions for the next part of your assignment in the packet for today. Your next assignment in the packet is to annotate or mark up this text. This text is called Fix Our Playgrounds, and it's a letter that a student wrote to the editor of our newspaper. So when you read this passage, you're going to mark up the text. You'll draw a box around 3 signal words, circle 2 facts, and underline 3 opinions. After you're finished marking up the text, you're going to reread it and answer these questions. They also ask you to include what details help you answer the question. So make sure you complete that in addition to the multiple choice. I'm going to read this text to you as well. Fix our playgrounds. To the editor. I think our playgrounds are amazing. They help kids enjoy fresh air, friends, and fun. But not all are safe. I believe it is very important to make them so. First off, playgrounds must have safer surfaces than hard cement. That is because falls are the most common playground accidents. Rubber or sand are good choices. We should also fix broken equipment to avoid danger. But my opinion is that the most important thing to do is to have adults watching all the time. Adults can teach rules for the playground safety. No shoving and no pushing are 2 examples. They can have kids take off scarves or necklaces. That is because these can get caught on equipment. Plus, adults would be there to help if something goes wrong. Safety must come first. Ellie Chang, Taos, New Mexico. So now that you've listened to the text, you're going to use these markings to annotate the text, to identify the facts and opinions in this letter. Draw boxes around 3 signal words, or those words that tell you if it's a fact or an opinion. Circle 2 facts and underline 3 opinions. After you complete the questions for today, your last assignment for ELA is your reading log. So read a fictional story. Remember, you can log on to Epic or use a book that you have at home. Which character do you like the most in your book and why? Something else that is new for this packet is your reflection sheet. So think about all of the work that you did today in both math and ELA. You can record your ideas to share with your teacher. Write down some notes about what you were successful with today and record some notes about what you needed support with. I hope you enjoyed our lesson for today. Come back tomorrow for some more practice with identifying fact and opinion.